New details in a vehicle accident that started with a juvenile behind the wheel of a truck, ending with them crashing into the East Ridge Police and Fire Service Center. You see the damage there. Police tell us the driver is a teenager who was taken to the hospital after EMS pulled them from that truck. Assistant Chief Josh Creel said the office that was hit there belonged to Fire Battalion Chief Jeff Duncan. He says Duncan and another employee had just left that room seconds before the crash, but did not hesitate to do their job.
They heard the crash, turned immediately around, rushed in, and began efforts to save and extract the driver.
The building has significant damage, as we saw there, but police say no services are stopped because of it.